Did you know that a properly maintained MTU Series 4000 injector can deliver up to 12,000 operating hours of reliable performance? In this video, we'll show you how to maximize the life of Injector 529075086 and recognize when it's time for a replacement. The MTU Series 4000 injector 529075086 is designed to deliver precise fuel atomization for efficient combustion. A healthy injector improves engine performance, reduces fuel consumption, and helps minimize emissions. Under normal operating conditions, this injector typically lasts between 8,000 and 12,000 operating hours. However, its actual lifespan depends on fuel quality, filtration, engine load, and regular maintenance. Watch for these warning signs: hard starting, increased black or white exhaust smoke, rough idle or engine vibration, reduced engine power, higher fuel consumption, fuel leakage around the injector, high exhaust temperatures or engine alarms. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to inspect or replace the injector. To extend injector life, always use clean, high-quality diesel fuel. Replace fuel filters according to the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Drain water separators regularly. Keep the fuel system free from contamination. Inspect injector seals during major engine service. Always replace O-rings and sealing washers when reinstalling an injector. When installing a new MTU injector, clean the injector bore thoroughly. Lubricate the O-rings with clean engine oil. Tighten the injector to the specified MTU torque. Bleed the fuel system and verify injector coding if required. Regular maintenance and timely injector replacement help protect your MTU Series 4000 engine from costly repairs and unexpected downtime. Looking for genuine MTU injectors and marine engine spare parts? Visit www.alphamarinespareparts.com for fast worldwide delivery.